Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn a first poem, The Castle. Castle is a palace. It is written by Edwin Murray. Let us see the poem. Here described about the castle, how it is. All through that summer at ease they lay, and daily from the turret wall we watched the mowers in the hay, and the enemy half a mile away, they seem no threats to us at all. So, throughout the summer, the season which is mentioned here is a summer. At ease, it means they are very free, very easily they are sitting. They lay means they are sitting there, very free. And daily from the turret wall, it means the tower of the castle, the tower where the people, the man used to see what is happening in and around. In jail and all we can see the person who is standing on the high of the building and they will watch over what is happening. That is a turret. Turret means a tower, the high place in the building. We watch the mower means the farmer, those who are cutting the grasses. The mower in the hay, they are cutting the grasses. And the enemy is half mile away, there is no enemy for them, that is why they are telling half mile away. So, they can't able to see with their neck, they can't able to, within their eyesight there is no enemy at all. There seems not no threat to us at all. So, they no need to fear. So, what happened, what the author had explained in the first 4 lines, all through that summer at ease they lay, and the daily from the turret wall we watched the mower in the hay, and the enemy half a mile away, there seems no threat to us at all. So, during the summer from the soldiers, they are very free, and some people they are watching from the tower of the castle, and there is only the mowers, the farmers, they are cutting the grass. So, there is no enemy in their eyesight, they are very half a mile away. They seems there is no threat to us. So, they no need to worry, fear about anything. For what we thought had we have to fear with our arm and the provender load and load. So, for what we thought we had to fear, the only thing they want to fear is with our arms. Arms means they have a weapon, that weapons which they use to fight with the others in the battlefield. So, they have the weapons are there, as well as preventers means the food, how they have the foods and the weapons are, they are loaded and loaded. So, they have sufficient amount of foods as well as the weapons are there in the castle. Our towering battlement, tire and tire, T-I-E-R, in this train, when we travel in a train, we can see this term 2 tire, 3 tire, it means the layer, tire means layer. Here what is there, see, look at this picture, this place, the window, the place where here the soldiers will stand here and they watch what is happening around the castle. And the friendly allies drawn near on every leafy summer road. So, the friendly allies means the people, those who are around near the country is also friendly with them. So, they are every leafy summer road. So, the roads are very leafy because of the summer, the roads are fallen down. So, in the second stanza they are explaining, first one they had said that they are very free without bothering about the worries. So, next stanza they are telling the only thing they want to fear is a weapon as well as the food. Even these both the things are loaded with them, and the people, the soldiers are standing on the tires. So, they are standing on the castle and they are watching. Our gates were strong. Now, the third stanza they are explaining about the strength of the castle. How the castle is, the castle gates are very strong. The walls were thick. How the walls are? They are very thick. They are very strong as well as the walls are thick. So smooth and high, no man could win a foothold there, no clever trick could take us dead or a quiet. Only the bird could have got it. So, at first he is explaining about the strength of the castle as well as the building, the wall of the castle, and now he is telling he is smooth and high. So, smooth, if the building is smooth, we can't able to climb. Even if it is short, easily we can climb. If it is so high, we can't able to climb because it have a slippery nature, we will fall down. So, no man could win. So, no man could win a foothold there. So, no one can able to have a foothold. They can't able to step into the wall, and no clever trick. They can't able to play any clever trick. The could take us dead or quick. So, here dead. So, no one can take it dead. The quick, it means it is the old English which is used for the term alive. Konno uirodo. So, we can't able to take them dead as well as alive. Not only a bird could have got it. Only the only thing who can enter the castle, the bird. So, the first stanza they had explained about the way they are living. They are very free, they are not bothering about anything. The man, some daily from the turret, some people are watching of the fears. Only they had watched, only the movers are the working in the field, and from the within their eyesight there is no enemy. So, they are very happy. So, they do not have any threats at all. The second stanza he had said that he want to fear only for the two things, that is weapon and the food. They have both the things, that is loaded and loaded, it is abundant, and the towering batsman tires, and they are the nearby country peoples are very friendly to them. Only the leaves are there on the road, no enemies are there. And the third stanza he had explained about the strength of the castle. How the castle gate is, it is very strong, how the wall is, it is very thick, and how it is very smooth and high, and no one can enter, and they can't able to play any clever trick. So, even they can't take them dead or alive. The only thing who can enter, that is a bird. What could they offered us as a bait? B-A-I-T, bait. It means if you give something for doing something, that is dried. We used to say no, that means. If you want to catch a fish, what we will do? We will have an insect on the hook and we will put it in the water. What happened? By eating the insect, we can catch the fish. The same way, if you offer something to get something, that is a bait. So, what could they offer us for bait? So, they can't able to give any bait to us. Our captain was brave and we were true. How the captain of the castle, he is very brave. So, no one can attack him very easily. And we were true. The people, those who are living there, they are very true. There was a little privilege gate. There is only one private gate. There was a little private gate. There is only one private gate is there. The private gate is meant for the soldiers, those the well-known people to come to the castle. A little wicked gate. How the wicked? It means evil, bad. So, the only one private gate is there. That is how the gate is. The gate is very small and evil gate. Wicked, it means evil, and wicked gate. It's a small gate. The whistled warden let them through. So, there is one warden is there. He is very old warden. So, he can't able to take care of the gate. Oh, then so may the tunneled stone grew thick and the treacherous there as yet. The cause was lost without a groan, the famous citadel overthrown, and as its secret galleries bare. So, what happened? The only one thing, M-A-Z-E means there is a confused tunnel stone is there. What is the only thing? The cause for lost without a groan. The cause of losing the safeguard of the castle is only one thing, the famous citadel overthrown. The famous castle, the citadel and castle has the same meaning. The citadel is a place where we have an armed force. The castle is simply representing the building. So, this overthrown, it means the destroyed. All the wealth in the castle was, citadel was destroyed, all its secret galleries bare. Bare means there is nothing, becoming empty. They emptied the whole gallery. So, they had taken all the wealth which is placed in the galleries. And how can this shameful tale be told? And he is asking how we can, how he will narrate the shameful tale. Tale means story. How this shameful story will be told to you, explained to you. I will maintain until my death. The poet is telling he will maintain the secret of the story in his heart until he pass away from the world. He could do nothing being sold. Our only enemy was gold. So, he could do nothing, we can't able to do anything, being sold, it was sold. The only enemy was gold. What the bride they had given gold to the old wicked man, and we had no arm to fight with it. So, we can't able to fight with the gold because it is a disloyal. This is a thing which had did against the truth. So, this is how they had overthrown the castle. Let us see the figure of speech in the next class. Thank you.